How to make a channel read only in Discord. Read only channels are perfect for rules, announcements, or any information you don't want users to change. First, click the gear icon next to the channel you want to make read only, then go to permissions. Under the everyone role, scroll down to send messages and hit the red X. This will prevent regular members from posting in the channel. You can still allow specific roles to post by adjusting their individual permissions. To add police, consider limiting reactions and thread creation too for full control. Use a bot to automatically post updates in your read only channel, keeping everything streamlined. Do you have read only channels in your server? Tell us what you use them for in the comments below. With read-only channels, you ensure important info stays visible, clean and untouched. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.